Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GoHenry Kids Debit Card Review My UK. GoHenry Kids Debit Card is a prepaid debit card and app designed for children aged 6 to 18 in the UK. It aims to teach kids about money management in a safe and controlled environment. Key features include parental controls, spending limits, real-time transaction notifications, and the ability for kids to earn money through completing chores. Their website provides details on the different plans and pricing. GoHenry emphasizes its focus on financial education, offering features like in-app money missions and savings goals. They highlight ease of use for both parents and children and promote transparency with no hidden fees or contracts. Compared to traditional pocket money, GoHenry provides a modern, tech-driven approach to managing children's finances. You can check availability and sign up directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GoHenry Kids Debit Card. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I downloaded the parent app, set up my account, and ordered the card for my daughter. The whole process took less than 15 minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to set spending limits, create tasks for allowance, and monitor my daughter's transactions in real time. She quickly grasped how to use her card for purchases both online and in stores. The performance has been solid, transactions are processed quickly and the app is always responsive. I had a quick question about setting up a savings goal, and their support responded within a few hours via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how engaging the money missions were for my daughter. It turned learning about finances into a game. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time notifications, giving me peace of mind knowing exactly where and how her money was being spent. One minor drawback was that some of the more advanced features, like custom spending categories, took me a little while to figure out. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GoHenry. It's a practical and educational tool that has made managing my daughter's pocket money much easier, and it's been a great way to teach her about financial responsibility. That's my overview of GoHenry Kids Debit Card. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.